what made you want to get a security system for your new business?
I grew up in the area, being downtown a lot and seeing the crime that goes on from other businesses.
Yeah.
It just was something that I didn't want to deal with. I chose Alarm New England because of the do-it-yourself installation.
What did you like about the do-it-yourself installation option?
I did everything in the shop myself, so being able to install my own security system was perfect.
So can you tell us a little bit about what the installation process was actually like for your small business?
Yes, so I FaceTimed with Connie, the tech support person. I literally took my phone and I showed her around the whole space, and she looked at the doors and she told me to put the alarm right at the door, like right at the front, and then she took her to the back door. She told me the same thing, and then she told me the best place to put my camera, the best place to put the hub system. So it was so easy.